We're in the dungeon today. This thing's leaking like crazy. Look at all those leaks.
That's all it needs, just a good little shake, huh?
That's all it needed.
Wow.
Dang. Couldn't get this to unsweat for whatever reason. I had to heat up all the way. And now we got a pinhole. Okay, so what we're gonna do is take off the drain port because it's obviously not gonna work. Pop in a new nipple, the ball valve, and use the pump to drain it down. Get ready, take this off. So we are preventing it from spraying the boiler, but we're letting all of this drain into the sump pit for now, and then if we need to pump it out later, we will, but most likely not. Luckily, it's all concrete down here in the dungeon. All right, so we got that off. So we're gonna take all that off as well. That's a 2-inch by 1.5 bushing. 2 by 1.5 nipple, copper, and we're just gonna pipe it right to there. All right, there you go. Can't do much about this. This turned into an emergency repair just to get the water back on. So this is only to bide some time. I recommended that we put 4 tankless water heaters right here, but Jeez. Oh my God, dude. You know what, bro? They're just gonna, I don't know what to tell you.
He's gonna have a leak for now.
I mean,
so you gotta talk to her, man. She needs to take this shit out of here. Or replace this shit.
I mean, this is leaking. That's about to start leaking.
This makes a fucked up sound already.
You should hear how loud this thing is. It shouldn't be like that. All right, I guess, yeah, it is what it is. Let's turn the water back on. We got there's like 20 ball valves up here, check valves, all kinds of stuff. So as soon as we turn it back on, boom. So we're just gonna quickly cut, and hope it doesn't cause any leaks. We'll see.
shit filling up that fast?
Yeah, I think so.
Jeez.
I mean, yeah. I think. You know,